Good morning, everyone. Today, we'd like to present our topic for Naval Architecture 2, which is a modern weather deck hatch. So, my name is Muhammad Iskandar bin SUDIRMAN, and together with my group members, we'll be explaining the design and arrangement of modern hatch cover used on ship. In this presentation, we will focus on how this hatch system works, how they maintain water tightness, and how they are secure during operations. First, let me briefly explain what we cover in this presentation. First, we'll start by describing the general arrangement of modern deck mechanical steel hatch. Next, we will explain how water tightness is achieved, especially at the coaming and cross joint. After that, we will describe the deflating arrangement used to secure the hatch cover. Finally, we will look at the arrangement of portable beams, wooden hatch cover, and trampoline we use in the modern traditional system.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my fellow friend and Mr. Nick. My name is Muhammad MUIZZUDIN bin Muhammad AZMEE. My metric number is 01DKP24F1052. Today I will be presenting about our group discussion here, that is modern weather deck mechanical steel hatch. So what is weather deck mechanical steel hatch? Basically, modern weather deck mechanical steel hatch is a heavy-duty, hydraulically operated steel panel that ensure watertight on cargo ship. So it's a hatch that cover the tank of the cargo ship, such as bulk carrier. The second one is they feature rubber gasket, quick acting cleats and bearing port pads to secure cargo. The third one is this panel run on track, often stowing transversely to optimize cargo loading and protect hull. For the next one, there is many type of hatch cover on cargo ship. For example, lifting type hatch cover, rolling type hatch cover, folding type hatch cover, and sliding type hatch cover. For the lifting type hatch cover consists of single panel cover and multi-panel cover. They are also called McGregor type hatch cover. So this lifting type basically it lift using a crane. For the second one, rolling type hatch cover. This large panel mounted on wheel. Wheel run on track laid on the deck. For the third one, folding type hatch cover. These panels are hinged together inside of two or more. This folding type is hydraulic system facilitate their movement. For the fourth one is sliding type hatch cover. These panels slide either longitudinally along the ship length or transversely across the ship width. So, this is the example of single pull mechanical steel hatch. As you can see at the picture, it has wheel guide rail that will guide the roller on the hatch. Second one, you have screw cleat, eccentric wheel, balancing roller that will balance the roller on the guide rail. We have coaming bar, compression bar, coaming hatch tray, coaming, crash joint cleat, rubber gasket. Rubber gasket will secure the cargo, rising track, panel side chain, falling track situated behind coaming, panel top plate, and shift for hatch closing rigging arrangement.
Alright, I will continue from my friend explanation. Now, I will explain how water tightness is achieved at the coaming and also at the cross joints. At the coaming, which are the edge of the hatch, opening water tightness is mainly achieved using a rubber gasket or sealing strip placed along the top of the coaming. When the hatch cover is closed, this gasket are compressed tightly. So this compression creates a strong watertight seal that prevent seawater from entering the cargo hold. In addition, there is a steel-to-steel contact which helps support the gasket and ensure proper sealing. So drain channel, also known as a gutter, are provided to collect any water that may leak past the seal. So this water is then discharged through a drain pipe fitted with a non-return valve, which prevent water from flowing back into a hatch area. Next, at the cross joint, which are the connection between hatch cover panel. Water nut is also very important. Rubber gaskets are fitted between adjacent panel from a seal. Common design include a compression seal and tongue and groove arrangement. When the panels are close together, the gaskets are compressed tightly to prevent water ingress. Alignment guides are used to ensure that the panels are positioned correctly. At the same time, compression bar or lead pad help to improve the sealing efficiency by applying even pressure along the joint. So overall, both the common and cross joint rail gasket compression alignment to achieve a better water tightness.
Good day. I wishing to my lecturer and my fellow friends. Okay, my name is ATHAVAN JAGETHISAN and my number metric is 01 DKP 24F1040. Okay, today I want to present about cleating arrangement for hatch covers. Okay, first and all, we get to know what is hatch covers. Okay, hatch covers are like for a bulk carrier ship, hatch covers are to prevent cargo like they will open and close. Okay, it will be normally in steel for many vessels. Okay, they are mainly used for bulk carrier vessels. Okay, now we go for cleating, which is cleats. Okay, first we go for the function of cleats. Okay, the first function are to secure the hatch cover firmly in place. Okay, cleats also helps to secure the hatch covers. For second, it apply to downward pressure on the gasket. Okay, cleats will be give pressure to downward for the gaskets. And for third, it will be ensure water weight integrity. Cleats also will help for ensure the watertight integrity. Okay, next we go for type of cleats. Okay, there are four type of cleats. First is quick acting cleats. Okay, for quick acting cleats, it will be lever and handle. Okay, for the second is the fast opening and closing. Okay, for the third, which type cleats use which mechanism to tighten the cover, and for the last, which is hydraulic cleats. Okay, for the hydraulic cleats, it is modern system, and also it will be used for the hydraulic pressure, and also it will be uniform and so strong sailing. So it is a new modern one. So for the modern ship, it will they will be using a hydraulic cleats. Okay, thank you. Okay, next I going to tell about the arrangement features. Okay, as I show in the picture, cleats are around the hatch covers. So normally cleats will be placed around the hatch covers. Okay, it also will be ensure when the gasket pressure is distributed. So it will be helpful when we open the cleats or we close the cleats. Okay, thank you. Okay, lastly, I going to present about the arrangement of portable beams, wooden hedge covers, and also tarpaulin. Okay, for first we go for portable beams. Okay, normally the portable beams are made by a steel beam, and also it will be placed across the hatch opening. Okay, and also it will be fit into the socket on hatch combing, and also it will be provide main structural support, and also it will be removable for cargo operation, so we can be open or closed by the portable bins. Okay, for the next we go for the wooden hatch covers. Okay, for the wooden hatch covers, it will be placed on top of the portable bins, and also it will be arranged side by side to hatch. on the cover of the hatch. Okay, and also it will be form a solid deck surface. So the wooden hatch cover will be form a solid deck surface. Okay, and also it will be reduce the gaps to prevent the water entry. So it is a it play a main role for the cargo. So by the wooden hatch cover, we can prevent the water entry into the cargos. Okay, for the last, we go for tarpaulins. Okay, the tarpaulins are mainly for the waterproof sheets spread over the hatch covers, and also it's usually laid in two or more layers, so it will be safe, and also it's be extend beyond hatch edges onto combing, and also lastly it will be provide weather tight sealing. Also it will be a weather side sealing, so no any water will be enter, so it will be safe for the cargo. Thank you.